Hi, I'm Pradi, senior accountant here at Lawpath. If you're a small business owner, tax can feel like a maze. But with the right strategies, it's a maze you can navigate and actually come out ahead. Today, I'll share some practical tax strategies that go beyond the basics, so you can not only stay compliant with the ATO, but also put money back into your business. 1. Keep meticulous real-time records. The ATO is increasingly focused on data matching, which means sloppy record keeping can land you in hot water. It's not just about keeping receipts, it's about recording them as they happen. For example, if you drive for client meetings, logging the kilometers at the time is far more accurate and defensible than trying to piece it together 6 months later. Cloud-based accounting platforms like Xero or MyOp link directly with your bank accounts and allow you to upload receipt straight from your phone. This means fewer errors and fewer missed deductions. 2. Maximize deductions with precision. Beyond the obvious deductions, there are specific areas small business owners often miss. Prepaying expenses. If your cash flow allows, prepay up to 12 months worth of expenses, like rent, insurance, or subscriptions. Depreciation and instant asset write-off. Depending on the thresholds, you may be able to write off the full cost of asset purchase before June 30th. This could include laptops, tools, or even vehicles. Bad debts. If you have invoiced a client and they are unlikely to pay, you may be able to write it off as a bad debt deduction. Just make sure you've documented your collections attempts. The key is knowing exactly what the ATO allows you, so you don't leave money on the table. 3. Structure your business for tax efficiency. How your business is structured, sole trader, partnership, trust, or company can have a huge impact on your tax outcomes. For example, as a company, you'll be taxed at a flat rate of 25% for base rate entities. That might be lower than your personal marginal rate, which can climb as high as 45%. On the other hand, trusts can give you flexibility to distribute income across family members on lower tax bracket. If you haven't reviewed your structures in the last couple of years, it may be costing you thousands in unnecessary tax. 4. Superannuations as a tax strategy. Super isn't just a retirement plan. It's a legitimate tax minimization. Contribution you make to your super, up to the concessional cap of $30,000 this financial year, are tax deductible. That means if your business had a good year, putting extra into your super not only boosts your long-term savings, but also reduce your taxable income today. And here's something many people miss. Unused caps from the last few years can often be carried forward. If your super balance is under $500,000, this gives you even more room to claim deductions. Manage your timing strategically. Tax isn't just about what you claim, it's also about when. If you expect a high profit this year, bring forward deductible expenses into this financial year to reduce your liability. Conversely, if you know next year's income will be lower, you might defer invoicing until after July 1st to shift taxable income into the following year. These timing decisions, when done strategically, can smooth out your tax liabilities and keep cash flow healthy. 6. Avoid the common pitfalls. ATO audits often target 1. Missing personal and business spending in the same account. 2. Claiming private expenses like family holiday as business travel. And 3. Overstating work-related car or home office claims. Staying disciplined and separating your finance keeps you compliant and audit ready. At the end of the day, tax strategy aren't about cutting corners. They are about using the rules to your advantage. And when done right, they can make a huge difference to your profit, your cash flow, and even your peace of mind. Here at Lawpath, we help thousands of business owners like you with tailored legal and accounting solutions that take the guesswork out of tax. If you'd like to make sure your business is structured the right way, claiming everything you're entitled to, and planning for the future, visit lawpath.com.au today and see how we can help.